All right, boys, I'm about to be honest real quick, okay? So I've already recorded a video that I was gonna post talking a little bit about the car, but then I get to SteadyGamin and, well, there's like a pop-up car meet or something. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, the pop-up headlight boys are out. We got MR-2s, we got all kinds of cars that are out here, and well, I can't pass up this opportunity on you guys. Okay, so we're gonna get in on a little bit of the little pop-up car meet. It's like in a little parking lot. We're gonna go and look at all the cars, and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about what I've 3D printed on the Vet, and we're gonna disclose the video and finish out with that. So let's go ahead and see if these guys will even let me start videoing their cars. Alright, so that was just like a little MR-2 pop-up meet. I absolutely love it. I love any car that has pop-up headlight. Like, I gotta show you this one. Like, look at this thing. Yes. Anyway, we did a few 3D prints on the Corvette, and I want to let you guys know a little bit on why I am not here, or have not been here on the YouTube channel here lately. The first reason is it has been extremely cold, and I hate making content in the cold. Nobody likes to get their car out in the cold, so that's the first reason. The second reason is because we have actually been collaborating with Freshen Up and Allegiant, and I used my own money invested in Allegiant to have Freshen Up inside of their store, because that's how much I just believe in SteadyGamin and in Freshen Up. So I actually was working with that deal. Me, Noah, and Jordan. Jordan is the owner of Freshen Up. Noah is the owner of Allegiant. And we all got together and we thought it would be a very good idea to go ahead and do that. Now, any orders from Allegiant will get a Allegiant shaker cup, so go ahead and get your order going. It'll only be on for a month. Let me show you a few things on what we did with the 3D prints on the car, and we did have a few car troubles, but I'll tell you guys about that in another video. All right, so to start off, the first thing that we 3D printed was these knobs right here. So we actually are not completed with these quite yet. As you can tell, they are a little bit dull. They do need to be painted black, and the red will stand out a lot more whenever they are fully painted black. But we did 3D print these. I sanded them down and they are ready for a coat of black. I just wanted to make sure that they would work. The second thing is I actually 3D printed everything you see right here as far as the cup holder goes. Yes, this is a custom cup holder that I 3D printed. Those little flaps here are actually TPU, and I built this design to hold any size cup available and to fit perfectly within this section of the car. So you can kind of see here, this is what it looks like. And I don't know what my little mobile thing here is doing, but anyway, this is what it looks like inside of the car. It looks really, really nice. And then the last thing, this is one of the most common 3D prints, and this is gonna be the headlight covers. So there's actually usually a hole right around up in here, and I actually went ahead and 3D printed a cover to cover that hole up on the headlights. But anyway, All right, so I hope that you guys did enjoy the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, what do you think that we should print for the Corvette next? And also, if you did enjoy the video, please feel free to make sure you big old fat like on this thing, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one, baby. Peace.